We're back at the range today, and we're going to shoot these no excuses 420 grain bullets. This is their sizing kit. We're going to shoot it at 100 yards. That's it compared to the Hornady Great Plains 385 grain 50 caliber. We got the 870, and this one is 915. But we're gonna go through and shoot these from the smallest to the largest, and I'll show the this is the .500, .501, and they go up from .500 to 504.
There's no way you can aim on the sheet. That's pretty good. Yeah, because then you're at least like, that's like a shot. Like if I don't play it. Yeah.
So this is going to be the .504 diameter. It's a little bit difficult to start straight. All the other sizes started straight. They all loaded the same when they got a couple inches down the bore. The last two. So this is our final result with the no excuses 420 grain. This is the sizing kit, so the diameter is all varied, and the last two shots it's 503 and 504, but the vertical looks to be about 1 3/4 inch max, and horizontal spread is about 3.3 at 100 yards. And I think if I get them all the same size, I think I'm going to go with the 503. And I'm going to order some, and we'll take them back to the range and see how they group on a day that's not so hot. It was like 95 degrees out there. Anyway, thanks for stopping by.